You're not going to believe the latest scam going viral on social media and what website may no longer be safe. These are 4 red flags to watch out for so you can protect yourself against the latest scam going around on LinkedIn. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and you heard that right. A place supposed to be used for networking and finding jobs is the latest breeding ground for scammers. If you're applying to jobs on LinkedIn, watch out for these 4 potential red flags. 1, if a potential employer tells you to download an app or software to conduct the interview, especially an app called Wire, it is a huge red flag. Now, of course you want that job, right? You want a job hunt to go fast, but it's definitely not a good sign if it's going way too fast. You may also be getting scammed if you receive a response to an application immediately. They may tell you that you're so impressed with you, that your resume was so great, that they just have to interview you right now. That's a red flag. Also, not a great sign if you get a job offered way too quickly because they're so excited to have you join the company. It's way more normal for an interview process to take some time, as you know. Finally, the biggest red flag of all, if you're told you have to buy equipment for your new job, no way. That is a scam. LinkedIn reached me with a statement which says in part that they have technology and teams of experts to find and remove unsafe jobs and encourage you to report any job you believe is fake. The full statement online. I'll tell you more about these red flags and what to do if you or someone you know falls for a job application scam. Just head over to cyberguy.com/scams. And while you're there, haven't you signed up for my newsletter yet?